Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to create this viral style short in just under 4 minutes using only CapCut AI. From creating the AI avatar to writing the scripts, then fixing the results and pairing it with more videos, this is a full workflow from start to finish. So let's go ahead and get started on our tutorial. So I'm here in the home screen and there's a lot of AI features within the program already, but you can also go to their official website to get further tools. So for this tutorial, we're just going to need AI image and AI dialogue scene. Now for the dialogue, you do need a base photograph. This photograph could be an actual photograph taken by you or someone online from a stock platform, or you could make it via AI. Now, just so we're all on the same page, I'm going to be using AI image. Let's start here in AI image, and I'm going to describe what I want my character to look like. A fancy alien with a suit looking directly at the camera. And I'm going to give the alien a color. Fancy green alien, and that's pretty much it. You can use a reference image if you want, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm just going to change the aspect ratio to 4:3. This is optional. You could do it horizontal, vertical, whichever other way that you want. So now it's going to generate this image, and we're going to get 4 options on the side. Then we get to choose it. If you want, you can modify your images, and this is all within CapCut. So it generated 4 versions of my prompt. This is the first one, the second one, third one, and fourth. You can see that my main character looks the same. I just have different options. How far he is from the camera, what the scene is looking like. If I want, he could be in like nature. You could be at a party, in an office, or close up. I think I will go with this guy. Now you can download it and upload it into AI dialogue scene, or you could turn it into the video right over here. Now there's 2 options. There's AI video and AI dialogue scene. The only difference is that this guy is not going to have any audio while this guy will. So I'm just going to click on this button. It's going to detect our character right over here. And I could have this guy say something using a voice of my choice. Because we had multiple people or aliens in the image, it did separate that for us right over here. But I only want the main character, this guy. So I'm just going to choose one. And now we can have this guy say something. So let's put in a simple script. I like to spend my Friday evenings with my best buds over dinner. So that's something I want my character to say. Now you can put more of your script. I will warn you that when you do this, it may run into some error. Now I only have 1 sentence for my character to say. You can add more stuff here, maybe 2 paragraphs, 1 paragraph. The only problem with that is that you might run into some errors, because recently I find that with longer scripts, CapCut crashes. It can't really handle that many words. So I'm just going to stick to 1 sentence for this demonstration. Next, you can choose your audio. So just click on this button and you're going to get a collection of different sounds. I'm going to go to character because that's what I have. And I'm going to try to find something that's similar to how he looks. So let's try to do like Monster Boss.
I like to spend my Friday evenings with my best.
I like to spend my Friday evenings with my best buds over dinner.
So I'll go with that guy. It's called the Action Hero. If you go on the sidebar over here, you can choose the speed. So I'm going to lower the speed for my case, maybe to like 90.90.
I like to spend my Friday evenings with my best buds over dinner.
And once I'm done, I could hit OK. Now you can also describe the scene. So if you click on the pencil here, we're going to get a bunch of stuff. So you can describe what the alien is doing. Is he shaking his head? Is he waving his hand? You can put all that information here. But just to keep things simple, I'm gonna leave it empty for now. Hit generate and it's gonna apply these changes to our video. You can see up here. And the percentage here is telling us how far we've progressed. Okay, so it generated. It's right over here. I'm going to hide the AI media because that's just what we got from here. So let's hit the play button.
I like to spend my Friday evenings with my best buds over dinner.
So you can see that I didn't really ask for the character to do anything, but CapCut made the other characters move as well, kind of be alive. And this guy does look back when he said the word buds. So that's really cool.
I like to spend my Friday evenings with my best buds over dinner.
And that's it. We just made this image from nothing, from a prompt. Then we added the audio and we adjusted the audio to something we like. Now you can go ahead and regenerate if you want something different. Maybe you don't want the character to look back, you want him to wear sunglasses or something like that. So feel free to experiment with all the different features and get yourself an AI avatar like this. To export, you just click on export and just choose a location that you want and give it a name. So once you're done exporting, it will also generate a TikTok video size for you as well as the original. So you can share it directly onto one of these platforms. So that's how you can create these viral AI avatars all within CapCut. It's very easy. You get to experiment with different characters, lighting, different scenes, and it's all within your so we did not have to go to something else, combine different softwares. It was all within CapCut. Apart from being a very convenient video editing program, CapCut does have a lot of AI tools. So always come back and see what's new, experiment with them, try different prompts, and get creative with how you make your clips. And that is the full workflow. If you want to go further, I created a free CapCut AI cheat sheet. The cheat sheet includes 6 more powerful ways to utilize CapCut AI. We can use this for stronger hooks, faster content, instant trendy styles, and many more things. You get to download it for free using the link in the description down below. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave us a like, subscribe if you want more content like this, and I hope to see you guys in our future tutorials.